So at the end of our series of this Laravel step-by-step tutorial, from uh, software installation, uh, login login authentication, and CRUD, the create, read, update, delete. Okay, so as you can see, this is our login form, a basic name for our system. This is our login form, uh, a text field that we can put our email address and our password. You can click remember me, or we can click this for reset password. And at the right side of our screen, we can see here the login, which is this one, and the register. If you click this register, as you can see, you can put or register here a new user of this system. So let's try it. Okay, so let's put a name, user. We can put the user account at gmail.com, a password. Our password is user 1234. Let's try it. Yes, then let's confirm it. So what if our password is not match? Okay, so let's try it. If the password is not match, so it will not go here. Okay, so as you can see, we have this table, the number uh, of the information in this table. Of course, the name, the section of the student, and the mobile number, and of course the action that we can put here is the view. Let's say, for example, we want to view a specific information of that student. Okay, we were able to click view, or for example, we want to edit the information of the student. You can do that, and of course the last one, we can delete it. Okay, so let's try to add new. Okay, so let's try add new. Okay, so as you can see, these are the fields that we need to fill out. Okay, so for example, the name of the student, Juan de la Cruz. Yes, PSIT 3A, for example, and the mobile number. Okay, and then let's save it. So as you can see, the system will notify us that the information is successfully added, and we can go back, or we can put other student here. Okay, so for example, let's let's go back first. Okay, so if you go back, as you can see, we can see Juan de la Cruz, a BSID3, and this is the mobile number of Juan de la Cruz. And what if we forgot to put a, or we want to edit this? So you can simply click this edit. Okay, and let's say, for example, is we forgot the middle initial, okay, of Juan de la Cruz. Yeah, so 1G de la Cruz, and let's update it. So as you can see, it will update. Okay, and if you want to view it, yeah, so you can put other information here if you want. the basic information will appear here, appear in our table here. But if you click this view, if you want to add more information about this student, you can do that also. Okay, we're able to add another table. Okay, what else? So we can say that if we add, for example, a let's put the number example, and then let's save it. Okay, so as you can see, the notification that successfully added, and then we can go back to our dashboard. As you can see, Peter is uh, being added here in our table. So if you can view, you can also view the information of Peter. You can go back, okay, or we can edit also, or we can delete, okay, by clicking this one. There's a confirmation from our system that has this question: are you sure you want to delete? So if you click OK, the information will be deleted, and the number is will adjust according to the uh, information here. Okay, so remember, we already log in our account. The name of our account is the user, so you can log out here. Okay, so if you can log out here, you will be directed dun sa ating login form. So to prove that this login form is working, so let's say, for example, let's us bypass this one, no, by typing this student. Okay, if you notice, if we log in here by our account, the path will the backslash login will remove, and it will replace by this one, the student. If we refresh or pass that without logging in our system, this system will notice that this that you need to log in first before you go to that information. So let's say, for example, we log in first, okay, and then the username 123, okay, then log in, click the login. So as you can see, if the password is not valid or not matched, it will give us the notification, a warning: this credential do not match our record. So the password is 1234, user 1234. So let's click that. Okay, so let's wait, and that's it. This is our record, and you cannot go here without logging in first. Okay, so this is the final output, no, of our uh, Laravel step-by-step tutorial. Okay, so for example, you can log out again. Okay, so we can log out. For example, we register, okay, or log in first. So for example, we forgot our password. So let's click this forgot password, and then we will put the email and then send password reset link. Okay, so the system will send you a notification with your valid Gmail or email address. It will send the link to reset your password. Okay, so if you click this one, yeah, the system will send you a password reset link to your email address. So that's the advantage of Laravel framework. We can fetch or use libraries, especially in login authentication. We can use this or integrate this in our web application. Okay, so that's it.